5 signs you're wasting your life and how to fix it. Have you ever reached the end of the day and wondered, where did all my time go? You were busy, but somehow you didn't get anything important done. The truth is, wasting your life doesn't happen all at once. It happens through small habits repeated every day. Today, let's look at 5 warning signs that you might be wasting your life, and more importantly, how to fix them. Sign number 1. You spend more time consuming than creating. Think about your day. How much time do you spend watching videos, scrolling social media, or reading other people's opinions? Now ask yourself, how much time did you spend creating something? Writing, drawing, learning, building, or solving a problem. Successful people don't just consume information, they create value. The fix? Before you open a social media app, spend at least 30 minutes creating something first. Sign number 2. You keep waiting for the perfect time. Many people say, I'll start next Monday. I'll start next month. I'll start when I'm ready. But the perfect time never arrives. Every successful person started before they felt ready. Progress beats perfection. The fix? Take one small action today. Not tomorrow. Today. Small steps lead to big results. Sign number 3. You have goals but no plan. Imagine trying to build a house without a blueprint. It wouldn't work. The same is true for your life. A goal without a plan is just a wish. If you want better results, you need daily actions. The fix? Write down one goal. Then write down one task you can complete today. Repeat this every day. Sign number 4. You surround yourself with negativity. The people around you influence your thoughts, your habits, and your future. If you're constantly surrounded by people who complain, avoid responsibility, or discourage your dreams, it's much harder to grow. The fix? Spend more time with people who inspire you. Read books, listen to educational podcasts, follow people who motivate you to improve. Sign number 5. Every day looks the same. Wake up, work, scroll, sleep, repeat. If every week feels exactly like the last one, you're probably not growing. Growth comes from trying new things, learning new skills, taking on new challenges. The fix? Do one thing each week that makes you uncomfortable. Read a new book. Learn a skill. Exercise. Meet new people. Small changes create a different future. Nobody wastes their life on purpose. It happens through habits. The good news is, habits can change. Spend more time creating. Stop waiting. Make a plan. Choose better influences. And keep growing. Remember, your future isn't decided by what you do once. It's decided by what you do every single day. So ask yourself one question. What's the habit you're going to change today? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this reminder.